perfect program assistant with Purdue Extension in Dearborn County. In this video, I want to talk you through the things to consider when preparing to disassemble your aeroponic garden for a total cleaning. It is so important to do this at least twice a year, but really if you're growing the full 12 months with your aeroponic garden, I recommend doing it 3 times a year. So looking for somewhere between like every 4 to 6 months that you're going to completely disassemble your garden and clean it. The best way to do this is to create a vinegar soak. So what you would need to do is just put really like 2 to 3 gallons, and you can kind of decide that based on how much buildup you have on your garden system and how much you think needs to be removed. Because everyone's kind of going to have a different experience depending on what kind of plants they chose to grow. So 2 to 3 gallons of vinegar will be placed in the empty basin after you take it all apart, take the garden apart, and empty everything that was in the basin at the bottom. You're going to empty that all out, put 2 to 3 gallons of vinegar, and then fill the rest of the basin up with water. Then you're going to place the parts into the basin and just let it soak. Let those parts soak for about 24 to 48 hours. After you've hit that point of 24 to 48 hours, what should happen is that you could take a soft sponge and then just wipe away all of the buildup and different like root material, plant material that's in the garden. And it's amazing. It just wipes clean, and you want to rinse everything really well with water. If you can't fit all of the sections of your garden into the basin at the bottom to soak, you'll have to take turns. You'll have to let some of the parts soak for the first 24 hours, pull those out, and then put other parts into the soak for another 24 to 48 hours. I hope this helps in getting everything ready for your total clean. And just know that this is a little elbow grease. It does take a little bit of work. But remember, it's only 2 to 3 times a year that you have to do this, which is still quite different from the labor required for an outdoor garden. Okay, so keep that in mind as you're cleaning your garden, and thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you.